Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Bigur. Today's date 16th November 2022. Today we will discuss about the methods in Java. So basically in a method which is a way to perform some tasks. Similarly the method in a Java is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task. It provides the reusability of a code, and we can also easily modify to use the code by using methods. Now we discuss what is a methods in Java. So method is a block of code or a collection of a statement or a set of code which is a group together to perform a certain work, certain task or a operation, and it is used to achieve reusability of a code. We write a code or a method once, and it run many times. We do not require to write the code again and again. It also provide the easy modifications and readability of a code. The most important method in Java is the main method, which is used in Java code. Now we see the method declarations in Java. The method declaration provides the information about methods, attributes such as visibility, return types, name, and arguments, etc. It has six components that are known as method headers. For example, we write a program public int sum, int a, and int b. Here are all the method headers. In this example, public is an access modifier. Then int is a return type, which return the value, and sum is a method name, and int a and int b, which is a parameter, and sum int a and int b, which is a method signatures. Now we see the six components that are in a method declaration. First one is method signature, then second is access modifier, third one is return type, fourth one is method name, fifth one is parameters, and last one is method body. Let's see one by one. The method signature, which is every method or it is a parts of a method to declare the method name and the parameter list. Second is access modifiers. The access modifier, which is access to the access the data types of the method, and it is specifies the visibility of the methods. It provides four types of access modifiers. They are public, second private, then default, and protected. Then third one is return type. The return type, which is used to data type that a method which is returned, and it may have primitive data types or object collection or void, etc. If the method does not have a return anything, we can use void keyword. Then fourth one is method name. It is a unique name that is used to define the name of the method. It must be corresponding to the functionality of the method. Here all about the methods in Java. Thank you.